Today you'll learn how to verify your YouTube channel in 2020 on your phone. It's the exact same process for iPhone and Android. Once verified, you'll be able to upload custom thumbnails, activate the live stream feature, and upload videos longer than 15 minutes. Let's get started. You can't do the verification process inside the YouTube app on either your iPhone or Android. Even when you go to YouTube Studio, there's no option there either to do so. Instead, you'll need to open up a web browser to do the verification process. And in this case, I'll be using Google Chrome on my iPhone. First, head to youtube.com inside the browser. And then once you're there, click the avatar at the top right to make sure you're logged into the YouTube channel that you want to verify. Next, in the address bar, type in youtube.com/verify and press the go button. And this will take you to the verification screen. The reason YouTube does this verification process is to ensure that you're a real person and not a robot, and just to protect its community in general from people or robots spamming or taking advantage of the system. If you have any problems with the verification code process I'm about to show you on the phone, stick around because later in the video I'll go over these problems and give you some solutions on how to fix it. If when you go to youtube.com/verify you get this message, congratulations, your YouTube account is already verified. You don't need to do anything else. Assuming you're not already verified, because that's what you're here for, let's head back over to the verification page and continue. First, choose the country that your phone number corresponds to. So I'll choose Australia here and then press done. Then you have a choice. Receive your verification code via either an automated voice message or a text message. I will say that the text message option can sometimes cause some problems. One reason is some countries don't allow you to receive text messages from YouTube. Another reason is the text message doesn't always come straight away, sometimes up to 15 minutes. It's tempting to then spam the process and put your number in over and over because we're all impatient, me included, and YouTube will sometimes lock you out and you may have to wait up to 24 hours. Not good. The automated call option, on the other hand, is way more reliable. It happens instantly, it works in every country, and you don't actually have to speak to someone. I'll show you both methods, so let's start with the automated call option. Check this box here. This screen will pop up, and you may need to scroll over a little bit to find the confirm button. Then you just put your phone number in and hit the submit button. And here is what it sounds like in 2020.
Thank you for using Google Phone Verification. Your code is...
Please give us a thumbs up below. And if you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing for more no-nonsense tutorials like this.
5. Goodbye.
Not so scary, right? Then you just put the code in and away you go. Likewise, with the text message option, check this box, put in your phone number and hit submit. Then you'll receive a text message that looks just like this. And then all you need to do is copy and paste this code and put it into this screen right here. Finally, when you hit the magic submit button, you'll come to this screen and hey, congratulations, you're now verified. Now go up to the address bar and type in youtube.com/features and that'll bring you to this page. Again, here you can see that our status is now verified. And you can also see that we're eligible for live streaming, longer videos, and custom thumbnails. So from now, let's just even go ahead and enable live streaming since we're here anyway. So click the enable button, it'll open up this screen here and you can see that we'll be ready to live stream in 24 hours. Here are some reasons why you may be having problems with receiving your verification code. I mentioned earlier about text message delivery either being a problem in some countries or being late overall. But another one to keep in mind is you can only verify 2 channels with 1 phone number. So if your number's already being used to verify 2 accounts, then you'll need to borrow someone else's phone, say a family member's. But don't worry, this number is not kept or sold by Google. It's solely temporarily used to verify that you're a real person. Watch this video next, where you'll learn how to correctly set up a YouTube channel, create a brand account, learn to design channel branding quickly and easily in free software, plus other tips. I'll see you over there.